Alright, so welcome back crew, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another DIY video, guys, and I hope this will be a good one for you guys. Today we will be installing the headliner on your 1955 Chevy pickup truck. So hang tight, guys, don't go anywhere, and let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so as you guys know, we've been working on a 55 Chevy pickup truck here in our home garage, and today we're going to try to tack this headliner. This is one of the tedious parts that I always try to avoid doing, but I believe we're going to give it a good college try and we're going to get this done. So last week you guys looked at the video of us doing a lower windlace. That turned out very well. So actually today I've already got everything marked up, and I'll show you what we're going to be using today. I got my panel here. I got my little design, which I'm going to go ahead and try to wrap. We got our template here, which I get my template from the truck shop. It's basically just a 1955 first series truck headliner, and I use that headliner to wrap my fabric in it. And we already took our measurements and everything. And so basically the only thing to do now is cut our fabric, which I've already done, to size, to length, and then we're going to go ahead and wrap this and see if it fits in the truck. Alright, so that's the little design that's going to go up in the truck here. This is where my sun visor will go. And I need to punch out the holes here for my rear view mirror. so this part is done. We'll flip it over and we'll go ahead and finish her up. Looking good so far. Turned out great, man. It's gonna look so good in the truck. So we got one more piece to cover. We got that back piece to cover next. I probably won't show you guys that, but I will show you guys me installing it. Let's get to it. This was a big piece. I just showed you guys half of it because it was a lot of wrapping and stuff, and hopefully you guys aren't getting tired or bored of me wrapping this material. But I could have done this in two pieces because this is going behind the seats, so I had to get more material, and I think it turned out a lot better since I did it all in one full piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish wrapping up the back of this, and after that we'll be ready to install everything. All right, let's get into it. All right, we got her in. Turned out pretty good. She was tight. All right, crew, so here we go. Only thing I really got left, I put these Glico fasteners in there to make sure everything line up. I just put me some screws in there. I think I'm gonna paint the tips of them blue. That way they'll match everything. And I just tighten this little headliner up there. But this is it, man. We did the headliner. It only took us a day to do it. I did have to wait on some material. But there it is. That's my little design we made, guys, from scratch. And the only thing we got left are the doors and the door panels. And we will be done with the 55 First Series pickup truck, guys. So thanks a lot for hanging out with me these 2 days. Like I said, I did do 2 days because I had to wait on some material. But other than that, we had everything cut out, ready to go in the cab, guys. And I think I did a good job. So leave some comments down below. Tell me what you think. Old royal salute, dedicated to old Momo. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And like I tell everybody, if you got a good cigar or fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.